If you're concerned about your privacy settings or just want to start with your TikTok account, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your TikTok privacy settings and take control of who sees the content. First things first, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the profile at the bottom. Now tap the three lines in the top right corner to open settings and privacy menu. In the settings and privacy menu, type on privacy. You'll see a list of options that's control who can view your content and interact with you. To reset everything to default, you'll need to adjust these settings manually. Now, here are the main settings you'll want to reset for maximum control over your privacy. If your account is set to private, only people you approve as followers can see your videos. If you want to change this back to public, just toggle the setting off. This is under private account and simply click on switch. Now you can find activity status. If you toggle this on, this means your friends can see when you're active, and if you toggle it off, you cannot see your friends activity, as well as your friends also cannot see your activity. Now scroll down. Here you can find various options like comments, direct messages, stories. Now simply choose on only you if you want only you to create stickers or post stickers with your videos, and if you want your friends to do it too, simply tap on friends as well. Simply like that, on comments too, you can simply tap on who can comment. You can choose everyone, friends, or no one, and for all these steps you can simply choose everyone, friends, or no one. You can simply reset your TikTok privacy settings.